G'day, welcome to Minutes with Marcus. This is a new program we're starting off at Queen City Law, and we're going to be coming to you every month from here. This video is an unusual one. I've been convinced to comment on one of the first videos we made about 11 years ago when we started off our social media program. It's a interesting video that was done by the staff at the time. A friend of mine, Steve Morrison, was the producer, and he was here for a photo shoot, and without any notice he filmed everybody, and part of that was because his father was one of New Zealand's top film producers, Bruce Morrison. He did Queen City Rocker and Shake a Run. I think one of probably New Zealand law firm's first foray into social media, and it actually strangely worked very, very well for us. Although the video is terribly bad, we got a really good result from it and actually wrote a lot of new legal fees. I've got that footage here on my iPad, and Josie will put it up on the screen so you'll be able to see it as well, and we can critically examine the repertoire. The video is called Queen City Law Web Greeting from 2011, and it comprises 57 seconds of absolute legal talent. At Queen City Law, you get an outstanding team of lawyers at your disposal. Well, the first thing I would say is that someone's hairstyle is a little bit thicker, and their eyebrows are a little less grey.
Thanks. We are experts in commercial, property and construction law.
Our team are also experienced in litigation and immigration law.
First comments would be Rita and Tina. You know, the passage of time has been very kind to them. They've barely changed at all in terms of their physical appearance, but certainly I think their legal ability and prowess has increased over that decade.
Currently represent a wide range of companies and individuals who are on the top of their field.
This was at the time of LA law before suits, and we had Bradley looking very debonair back then. I'd even bring Brad in to make a quick comment. Watch his face when he watches it.
Okay.
You watch. Eyes on the phone.
I think he's on the phone.
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll stalk him. See, look at that.
Man, what a handsome looking dude.
What did I tell you?
That's a natural, man. Thank you, sir.
Let Queen City Law take the pain out of the process.
Sounds like a dentist, because Ross won't go on screen. For those who are more observant amongst you, you'll see that Ross now is a bit of an animal, doing a lot of videos and attracting a very large audience.
We are constantly updating our practical law library online.
Because the law itself is fluid and always evolving. Bam!
All clients with the respect they deserve.
With such a range of experience, we are well positioned to provide you with a dynamic approach to legal services. That's the cutting edge of marketing right there. Marcus. Come on. Harris, when you see the people who have come before you, it's like the All Blacks, you know, you never leave the jersey. You've got to own that jersey and make it better for the next guy that you pass it on to.
That's right.
Harris?
Yeah.
What's your impression?
Oh my god. Why did it?
About the law, should we say anything about the law? Guys is going to be a lawyer shortly. Do you want to bring him in? Andrew's about to be admitted as a lawyer, aren't you?
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, if they let him through. Andy, what's your critical analysis of this video? Do you think it's good marketing material?
Why is it zoomed in so much? Framing on the camera is not that great.
Do you like the soundtrack?
Yeah, that's what
It's okay. It's too low budget.
Wouldn't that inspire and instill confidence in you?
No.
Critical analysis
There
that
you
we
go.
were lacking,
That's what we
Josie.
want.
When we look back in 2033 and we look back 10 years earlier, we'll see young men who have turned into older men. Can we go somewhere else next time, Josie?
We can.
Yeah, so that was light-hearted Minutes with Marcus. In the future, topics may include the Rugby World Cup, the political landscape in New Zealand, and also the Women's Soccer World Cup, which we've all been watching, and what a game between Australia and France. I look forward to seeing you all again in September, when we will come up with some other brilliant insights, possibly with more serious topics. See you next time.